how to connect a PS5 controller to your laptop or computer. So I'll be showing you how to do this both wirelessly and also with a wired connection. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to your computer. You can then click on the start menu in the bottom navigation, go in search for settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices and just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. You can then press add device at the top of this page, and before we click on this option, we need to make sure our controller is on pairing mode. So to do this, you'll need to hold down the PlayStation button and the share button in the top left hand side, and you'll need to hold both of these buttons down simultaneously for just a few seconds. Now when you see this blue flashing light, it indicates the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. So once you see this, you can go and click on Bluetooth from your computer, and then you should see your wireless controller appear from the list, and you can go and click on it like so. Now once it's been connected, it should say connected next to your controller, and then you can just go and close out of this window. Now if it doesn't work the first time, you can always go through the steps again, and once it's connected, you can go and close out of this window. Now the next thing you'll need to do is go and open up Steam on your computer. You can then click on Big Picture Mode in the top right hand side. You can then click on Menu from the left hand side, click on Settings, click on Controller, and from here you can go and customize all of your different PS5 controller settings. Just make sure the PlayStation controller support is turned on and enabled, and that's the first method to connect your PS5 controller to your laptop. Now you can also connect your controller using a wired connection, so all you simply need to do is go and grab your cable and plug one end into the controller and the other end into the laptop or computer. Now as long as everything's plugged in correctly and your controller is turned on, then Windows should automatically detect your controller, and you should automatically be able to start using this in compatible games such as Steam. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.